For most people, most of my contemporaries that I have come across, specifically the people who left Mumbai, major reason for them is they were not in love for films. They were not in love of filmmaking. They were actually in love for the glamour.
So, since you touched the topic of film school, right? So, this is a very appropriate time for me to ask you this. So, there is this clip on YouTube and Facebook rolling around where Tarantino comes and says, and he says and he is so passionate about everything that he says that you have to love. You don't have to know anything about cinema. You just have to be passionate about cinema, right? And then this whole culture about filmmaking schools versus do it yourself versus try it wherever you are, right? This whole conversation, I mean, I understand that this is a conversation that has been there since the films have started, right? Whether you go to a school or do you learn it yourself, art something that can be taught, or is it something that comes from within, right? Just give us a sense of, since you have done it, since you have gone through film school, and now that you believe that there are a lot of things that you learn on the set. So give me the contrast between the film school versus learning on the set versus doing it yourself, and then joining, let's say, a production house, right? How does what would be the pros and cons for these settings?
See, I even after coming from film school, I strongly believe that to be a filmmaker, it is absolutely not a compulsory or mandatory thing for anybody to go to a film school. I strongly, like Tarantino said, and I quote, I strongly second his statement that you need to have the love for filmmaking first. I mean, for most people, most of my contemporaries that I have come across, specifically the people who left Mumbai, major reason for them is they were not in love for films. They were not in love of filmmaking. They were actually in love for the glamour that films bring. And both these things are very different. I mean, if you are here for the glamour, then probably you might end up your life and the glamour may not touch you. But if you are here for the actual fulfillment from inside about the art, about the craft, then probably you will get to the place where you want to be. And when it comes to this topic of film school and do it yourself, learn it all by yourself, I again strongly believe that filmmaking is definitely it requires skill, but it is also about a craftsmanship which can be very individualistic. Like you as a filmmaker can develop your own craft. Okay, but the skill, I mean, what happens is in film schools, you understand the difference between the craft and the skill. In film schools, they can teach you the skill. Okay, like juggling is a skill. Okay, now the more you practice juggling, the more you will be swift in juggling three balls with two hands. But that is not a craft which can develop over time. But filmmaking is a craft which is ever evolving. Like you see the films that were made in the early 50s or early 60s, you see the films that were made in 1980s, then you see the films that are made post 2000. Okay, the craft of filmmaking has always been evolving, and you the more and more you think about the unique filmmakers, the auteur filmmakers that have come, like this Martin Scorsese, Quentin Tarantino, then Spielberg, then Christopher Nolan, Guy Ritchie, they all, David Fincher, Darren Aronofsky, they all have their own way of telling a story. That is their craftsmanship. And that is not something that you can ever learn from any film school. A film school can tell you the modus operandi of bringing your idea onto the screen, but how your idea comes from within you, that is something that no one can teach you. It has to come from within you. And corollary to that thing, I believe it's either there in you or it's not there in you. I mean, there is no other thing about that. That is why you will see there are innumerable filmmakers who, I mean, this is the difference that I understand between a filmmaker and a director. I believe a filmmaker is the one who writes his own stories, who writes his own scripts and then makes it into a film, like Tarantino, like Nolan. But then again, there are directors who has got their ideas, but they are not that much, it's not their fault, it's just they realize that their skills about putting their thoughts into paper is not that good. So they hire a writer who has better skills about writing, about putting them on papers, and then, I mean, their vision. is their vision is coming to the papers through someone else, through someone else's craftsmanship, and then they are taking that written portion into a film version. So this is this is something that I call as a film director, as a director. So coming to your point that film school versus do it yourself versus joining a production house. See, joining a production house for people coming from a middle class background like us, for us joining a production house was the only option, because coming in Mumbai and staying and surviving in Mumbai, you need to have some money. And people like me, I never had a financial family support. From 2008 till now, I knew that the kind of expenses that Mumbai requires, my family cannot do that on a continuous basis. They can do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or probably a year. Beyond that, it is not possible for them. So for us, joining a production house was primarily was to gain our survival, to earn our bread and butter, to survive in the industry first. Then comes the craftsmanship. So joining a production house was first about earning our survival. The addition was learning the craft. That is the thing for me. But I would obviously go do it yourself is obviously the most important thing, which I think any good filmmaker goes through.
If you guys want to know about a whole lot of stuff about various career options, about different fields, how to get into them, what to do, and everything about that particular field, then we are at your service. We'll keep bringing you all sorts of people from all around the world with their extensive knowledge, their experience, what they have been through to reach where they are today, and how they succeeded in their particular field, and everything about that field. All you have to do is just subscribe to us by pressing that subscribe button down below, and also like and comment on our videos. You can also tell us about which field you want to know in our comment section, and we'll definitely get back to you. You can also press the bell icon somewhere up above so that you will be the first one to know when we upload any video, because we are Expert Tribe, helping you to change your stories, change your life.